Hi everybody! Today I would like you to tell how I was crocheting and doing this cowl. This is the second cowl that I've done within 1 week. I like this cowl because it reminds me knitting, knitting ribbon. So if you can see, you can stretch it and it's look like really like ribbon part of the hat. So you can use it for hats, you can use it for scarves, you can use it for headbands. It is easy cowl, but it is really a little bit time consuming. You will see why, I will show you. For this cowl I was using the Red Heart Super Saver yarn and 5mm crochet hook. You need just one ball and you will still have some leftovers. One ball will be enough. It is almost 200 grams. So I will show you just a small part of how to do it. For the cowl, I cast on 51 stitch and the length of it 34 centimeters. The width can be more. It is the width and the length will be 60 or even more. A little bit more than 60. So it's like 31 and it's a half, and then you multiply it by 2. So let's get started. For the cowl, for this ribbed cowl, I cast on 51 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I cast on a little bit less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cast on 15, but you cast on 51 stitch. Then from this into the second loop from the hook. This is a base row. Yarn over. I insert hook in the second loop from the hook. Pull the yarn and pull it through the yarn over and through the loop on the hook. Now, one more time. It's a little bit. Yarn over. This was the second loop. I help myself with the fingers sometimes. So one more time. Yarn over and insert the hook through the loop. Pull the yarn through the loop, then through yarn over, and then through the loop on the hook. So continue working like this till the end of the row. You can knit like this, you can crochet like this, or help yourself with a finger. One more time. Yarn over. yarn over through the loop, through the yarn over and through the loop on the hook in the last stitch. Okay, this was a base row. Now and all other rounds you're going to repeat 4 rows. So this is the first row, chain 1. So we're going to work in the back loop only. This one, back loop, back loop, back loop only. So we're going to work in the back loop only. So yarn over and you repeat all what we did in the base row. Yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop only, pull the yarn through this loop, through the yarn over and through the loop on the hook. One more time. Yarn over, insert the hook through the back loop, pull the yarn through the back loop, pull the yarn through the yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This is the first row of the pattern. Sometimes I help myself with a finger, as you might see. Chain 1, turn. Now we're going to repeat the first row of the pattern. In the second chain from hook and the back loop only, we repeat. Like this, like this. So we repeat the first row of the pattern. So we don't count the base row. It was just a base row. Yarn over, insert the hook through the back loop only, pull the yarn through this loop, through yarn over and through the loop on the hook. So we make it till the end. You see, this is the last stitch, it's hiding always. It's like you cannot see it, so be careful. It's hiding here. Now chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to make a third row of the pattern. So you can see the chain here. And if you put the piece down on the table, you can see a chain here. So now we're going to work through this front loop of this chain. Front loop, if you see, this is the back loop of this chain and this is front. See? Front. Not this one, not this chain, but put the piece on the floor, on the table and through this front loop. Same stitch, yarn over, through, insert the hook through the front loop, pull it through, yarn over and loop on the hook. Again, yarn over, pull the, insert the hook through the front loop, pull the yarn, like this. Oh, I did something. I didn't pull through the end. Have to be always careful when the yarn is not much twisted. You crochet till the end, and you see here is one more stitch. Chain 1, and row 4 you repeat row 3. Yarn over, and you see this one, if you put it down, so this one, this chain, and through the back loops only, here, 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 here. So yarn over through the back loop only. Through the back loop only. Through the back loop only. That's all. Now we are going to repeat again. You see, it's like knit stitches and here purl stitches. I like this pattern because it looks same from the wrong and from the right side. So again, chain 1, and we repeat the first row, working through the back loop, through the back loop, through the back loop of this chain, of this braid, through the back loop, through the back loop. This one that is hiding, the stitch that is hiding. Chain 1, turn, and again we repeat this round. Through the back loop, yarn over, insert the hook, to the back loop, pull the yarn, through this back loop, pull the yarn through the yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Chain 1, turn. Now we're going to make the third row through the front loops. Through the front loops. Front loops. chain 1, turn the work, and again we're working through the front loops only. We repeat the third, chain 1. So you repeat the first row. So look at the edge. It's look nice and neat. So you repeat again until your piece reaches for about 60, 61, 62 centimeters. Then you put two edges together and join them together using the slip stitches, or you can use tapestry needle and sew up these two stitches together. So you see, it's really looks like imitation of knitting. So you can use this part as a ribbon part for the hats. Just then pick up stitches here and go on with any other hat you like. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this tutorial. Follow me and subscribe to my channel, to my other social medias, and there are a lot of free knitting and crocheting patterns on my blog. Please visit. You can find the description in the box below, comment box below. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.